Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install WooCommerce from your WordPress website. So let's begin and follow these few steps together. The first step is to back up your site. Now before installing, back up your site using a plugin like Updraft Plus to save data in case you need it later. You can install the plugin by going to plugins here and then search for Updraft Plus. And we're gonna look for it. Let's look for it. This one. And if you have a paid version of the WordPress, you'll be able to upgrade and activate it. Once you do that, you'll be able to save the data in case you need it later. Now for the second step is to deactivate and delete WooCommerce. Go to plugins in WordPress dashboard right here and find WooCommerce, click deactivate and then click delete. Just search for WooCommerce. Now if you already activated it, it will appear here that to deactivate and delete WooCommerce. And then delete it. Click on it and delete it. Now for the third step is to remove WooCommerce data. To completely remove WooCommerce data, go to settings in general and add define parentheses and WC remove all data. Also, I'll write you this code right here. Enable to remember it. Define here. This one. Fine. WC. Remove all data. Yeah, this one. The code should look like this one right here. And add it to your wp config php file. Then delete WooCommerce. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to uninstall WooCommerce safely. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.